Now, so cerebral when any alcoholic person when drunk, so they walk he walk clumsily because cerebellum due to effect of alcohol unable to coordinate the muscular activity. So that is the portion of cerebellum is completed. Now third part of the brain is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the lowest portion of the brain and it controls involuntary activities. Involuntary activities. Involuntary activities means activities of the internal organs. Injury to the medulla generally results in death. So, three primary regions of the brain. First is the other involuntary activities. Injury to the medulla generally results in death. Why? Because it controls all the internal activities of all the internal organ. It is located at the base of the skull. This is the skull. So at the base of the skull, if it is a cerebrum, now it is the cerebral, and this is the medulla oblongata. It is a medulla uh, this is the medulla oblongata. It is the cerebrum, and this is cerebellum, and it is the medulla oblongata. The three primary regions of the brain. Uh, Beside this three visible parts of the brain, there are three primary regions of the brain. They are hindbrain, forebrain, and midbrain. All um, forebrain contains of forebrain, um, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain contains of cerebrum and cerebellum. Midbrain is only the cerebrum and diencephalon. Sorry, diencephalon. Diencephalon consists of two, thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus and hypothalamus. Okay. Uh, hypothalamus. Midbrain is a small tubular part only. Hindbrain consists of cerebrum, pons, and medulla oblongata. So there are the three regions: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, and in this three region all the parts are covered of brain, and major parts which we have to study about the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. And after this, and you have to know that medulla oblongata controls the all involuntary action of the internal parts, and heartbeat, breathing, these are the, and next central nervous system part is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the long rod like structure which covered by the meninges, and here is Another arrangement of neurons is opposite to brain. Here gray matter inside and white matter outside. And it is a there is a small central canal in the spinal cord, and it is filled with cerebrospinal fluid, which act as a shock proof cushion like structure. Externally it is covered with a backbone. It is protected by the backbone. And you know that backbone is not a single bone, it is made up of small bone, and these small bone is known as vertebrae. And the spinal cord is covered by the same three membranes: dura mater, arachnoid, and pia mater also. Functions of the spinal cord concerned with the three functions: reflex action, functions, reflex action below the neck, conduct sensory impulses from skin and muscles to the brain, and conducts motor impulses from brain to muscles to the trunk. So this is overall of central nervous system. And next class we will continue the peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system and reflex arc.